Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to set a stop loss on DEX Screener in 2025. If you're diving into decentralized exchanges, a stop loss is your best friend for managing risk and protecting your investments from sudden market dips. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to set it up like a pro. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a stop loss? It's an automated order that sells your asset when it hits a specific price, helping you lock in profits or cut losses before things get ugly. With DEX Screener's 2025 updates, the interface is even more user-friendly, featuring enhanced security and real-time analytics. To get started, make sure you have a wallet connected, like MetaMask, and head over to the DEX Screener website. Step 1. Log in or access your account on DEX Screener. If you're new, create one quickly. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Trade or Markets section and select the token pair you're interested in, such as ETH/USDT. Step 2. Look for the Order Types dropdown, usually found near the trading chart. Select Stop Loss from the options. Now, enter the price at which you want the order to trigger. For example, if you bought a token at $100, you might set it at $90 to sell if it drops that low. Step 3. Double-check your settings. In 2025, DEX Screener has added cool features like customizable alerts and integration with AI for better predictions, so take a moment to explore those if you want. Set your quantity, how much of the asset to sell, and review any fees involved. Finally, hit Place Order to confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and you're all set. Remember, always test in a demo mode first if available, and keep an eye on market volatility. There you have it. Setting a stop loss on DEX Screener is easier than ever in 2025. This simple tool could save you from major headaches. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.